Today's video is about TONEX versus Dream 65, two leading amp simulators. Choosing the right amp simulator can transform your guitar tone without expensive gear. We'll look at both to help you decide which suits your style best. TONEX and Dream 65 are both advanced amp simulators designed for guitarists seeking authentic tones. The core difference lies in TONEX's AI-driven modeling technology versus Dream 65's focus on classic tube amp emulation. Each offers a unique approach to shaping your sound. TONEX is an AI-powered amp simulator developed by IK Multimedia that uses deep learning to replicate a vast range of amps, cabinets, and effects. It works by analyzing thousands of real amplifier sounds and recreating their tonal characteristics with remarkable accuracy. Users can customize their rig by blending different amp models and effects in real time. TONEX's strengths include its versatility, detailed tone shaping, and ability to emulate rare and boutique amplifiers. It also integrates seamlessly with DAWs and live setups, providing low latency and high quality output. However, its reliance on AI modeling means it may require a learning curve to fully exploit its features, and some purists may prefer the organic feel of hardware or traditional modeling. TONEX is ideal for guitarists who want a broad palette of tones, from vintage to modern, and enjoy experimenting with cutting-edge AI technology to craft unique sounds. Dream 65 is a software amp simulator developed by Universal Audio, inspired by the classic 1965 Fender Deluxe Reverb tube amplifier. It works by digitally modeling the circuitry and components of this iconic amp, delivering warm, rich, and dynamic tones favored by blues, rock, and country players. Dream 65 offers simple controls that replicate the original amp's layout, making it easy for users to dial in authentic vintage sounds quickly. Its strengths lie in its faithful recreation of the Deluxe Reverb's natural overdrive and clean headroom, as well as its smooth spring reverb and tremolo effects. The limitation is its narrow focus. Dream 65 specializes in one amp style and does not offer extensive amp or effect variety. It suits players looking for a specific classic tone without the complexity of multiple models. Dream 65 is ideal for guitarists who want a straightforward, high-quality simulation of a legendary tube amp with minimal setup. Comparing TONEX and Dream 65 reveals different priorities. TONEX excels in versatility, offering hundreds of amp models and effects, perfect for players who record diverse genres or seek experimental sounds. In contrast, Dream 65 focuses on authenticity, delivering one of the most accurate Fender Deluxe Reverb simulations available, ideal for purists and vintage tone lovers. TONEX's AI-driven approach allows blending and customization, but it can be overwhelming for beginners. Dream 65's simplicity means less flexibility, but quicker, more intuitive use. For live performers needing a wide range of tones, TONEX provides more options, while Dream 65 shines in studio settings where a specific classic sound is desired. Both offer low latency and high fidelity, but your choice depends on whether you value breadth of tone or depth of authenticity. Choose TONEX if you want a powerful, versatile amp simulator with AI-driven models that cover a wide range of tones and styles. Dream 65 is the best pick for players seeking a faithful, easy-to-use simulation of the legendary Fender Deluxe Reverb amp. Both plugins excel in their niches, so match your choice to your tone goals and workflow for the best results.